Hello friends, welcome back to BISP Solutions. So let's continue our session on Oracle Fusion Financial Applications. So yesterday we have seen, so without any wasting our time, let's start this session. So yesterday we were creating the supplier, then we created the profile, then we created the address, but the site was left. So we'll start from the site. Okay, so let's move to our Fusion instance. Okay, so this is our home page. So we'll go to the supplier. So for that we'll click on the navigator. So click on the navigator. Okay, go to procurement and click on supplier. Since yesterday we were making the supplier, what we will do, we will go on the task list and we will not click on create supplier. We will click on manage supplier, and here we will type the name of our supplier, that is BISP. Yesterday I have made. Click on search. This is our supplier. Click on edit and will come on the profile. Okay, so profile was created yesterday. Just see, we have created the address, and now we are going to create the site. One thing is to keep in mind, friend. One thing is to keep in mind that when you will finish with your address, just click on save. Otherwise, this site option will not come. Okay, this create option will not come. So remember this, whenever you will finish creating addresses, just click on save and then click on create. So go on site, click on create. So our procurement BU is BISP USA. So the address name I'll give, just for demo purpose, I'm giving BISP. Site 1, we are creating BISP site 1. This is our BISP site 1 and I am giving the name BISP. Okay, we have to associate that address yesterday, that what we have made. Click on it. Okay, so BISP site 1 I am giving the name. Then this site is for purchasing, this site is for pay. Okay, then let me find go on this invoicing tab, and this okay, click on save. Then after clicking on save, this tab will, it is visible. Now click on invoicing. See, choose invoicing currency. So we are dealing in it was there, I think, US dollar. Okay, and payment currency will also be US dollar. Pay group we have not made, this is for the upcoming sessions. So mandatory information I have filled. I think now I'll go on the payment tab, and in the payment tab click on payment method. So method would be check. Okay, check, select check, and now we will assign this site to BU, that which BU is going to pay or purchase to the supplier. Okay, so at this site, two ways to assign for automatic. Click on auto create, and second one we can create. Okay, so okay, so now go to site assignment, because we want to assign the assign the site. So two ways to assign the site: auto creation. Well, click on auto create assignment. So if I'll click on auto create assignment, see my BU has come, business unit has come. Okay, so what is this client BU, bill to BU, ship location, everything I'll explain. Let me fill first of all. So the location that we made was BISP Dallas was the location. Click on OK, and ship to location also, and bill to location also, both the location I'm filling same. Click on OK. Now what is this client BU, bill to BU, ships to location, bill to location? This we understand. Okay, so when it is client BU, that means with which BU we are going to write the requisition. Okay, and when it comes about bill to BU, means with which BU we are going to make payment for the supplier. And when it comes to ship to location, that means for which location supplier has to ship the material, and bill to location means supplier has to send the bill on what location. So this is about our bill to BU, client BU, and ship to location and bill to location. Okay, so now move. Save and close. Now we'll create the contact. We have created the profile, we have created the addresses, we have created the site. Now we'll create the contact. Click on create. Give salutation, give the first name Mr. Ajay, last name Kumar. Okay, so contact we are creating. Click on address. Give our address. Click on this only. I am giving for now. I am giving this address. Okay. Now save and close. So now what we have created? So now we have completed the task, that is created supplier. We have created a supplier. We have created the profile. We have created the address. We have created the site, and we have assigned this site to our business unit. Okay, so this task we have performed. So now our next task is creation of bank account. Creation of bank account for making payment to supplier. Okay, so our next task is to creation of bank, and from this we will able to make the payment to the supplier. So for that we'll go to our project. Save and close. Oh, we have created already. Click OK. Okay, so this is our contact we have created. Okay, save and close. Okay, now go to our project, setup and maintenance, then task list, and then manage and implementation of project. Search for our project or click on overview. This is our project. Click on it and type manage banks. Okay, so here we will create the bank. So search for the country, US, United States. Click on OK. So this would be our country. Then our bank name would be BISP bank. Okay, so this just a name I am giving. Whatever you will get from the client you will fill. Okay, so BISP bank, and we have created the bank. Click on done. Now our next, we have created the bank. Now we'll create BISP bank we have created. Okay, so now we'll create the bank branch. We'll create the bank branch. So go for our project and you see this task, manage bank branches. Click on it and click on create. And search the bank which you have just created. Go on search, bank name BISP bank, click on OK. So this is our bank, and what would be the name of the branch? So I'm just taking BISP branch. Okay, then something else to be filled, nothing is mandatory, so I'm not making save and close. Routing number, give any routing number which would be provided by the supplier. So give routing number, I hope it should take. So let's say so for example, if I'm taking this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, because 9 30 days off, then just a second friend, just a second, let me give one demo. Not able to search also. It's a 9 digit code that identifies a financial institution or bank. So what should I take? Okay. Just wait, I am finding a routing number which should suit on it. Select. like if I say zero zero 1501747, let's see. Okay, so let's say last I'm trying to create the branch, otherwise we'll go ahead. So it's no, okay, that's taken. Good. So we have taken the routing number, click on OK. So we have created bank and we have created bank branch. Okay, now so next task is, so let's go to our project and click on done. You see manage bank accounts, so we'll create bank accounts. And we'll create bank account, search for the branch, that is branch already we have made, so now I'll search for the branch, BISP branch. Account name we can give BISP, corporate account, and account number just give for example currency is dollar. Associate legal entity so our legal entity is BISP. BISP USA legal entity. So leave rest of the information. Okay, the mandatory information is we are using this account for payables and receivables. Then you see this entry is already there. Click on so if this entry would have not been here, we would have given it from here and we would have selected the account, that is cash checking. Okay, so you can select account from here, click OK. So each bank we need to maintain a separate account, so each bank will have a separate account. So project and everything is already selected. So now we'll move to the payment documents. Payment document. So we'll create payment document. So payment document we have we'll give the payment from check. Paper stock type would be numbered stock. The format would be standard check format. Let me select. search. Format would be standard check. Standard check format. Click on OK. Last available document number. So let's say it is 20,000. Okay. Let me see if any information is left. So we'll move ahead. First available document number will start from this number and end with this number, document number. Okay. Now click on OK. Mandatory fields. Okay. So now business unit access, we'll see this business unit access. That means what we are going to do, we are going to assign BU to this bank. Okay, so click on it, click on create, and give the business unit, our business unit, that is BISP. So we are ready with our bank account now. So now next task would be the payment process profile to process the payment. So now we'll make the payment process profile for making the payment. So click on OK. Save and close. Click on OK. Click on done. So now our next task is we'll create the payment process. After creating the bank, we need to process the payment. Okay, so payment process. So go to our project. So this manage payment process profile, click on it, go to task, we'll create give the name. So I'm giving BISP payment process profile. Let's say give payment process profile and give the code BISP payment process profile. Okay, let it be today's date, and payment profile format would be standard check format only. Standard check format, select, and processing type would be printed. Okay, now check the data you have filled. Payment methods all okay. Yes. So now save and close. Okay, and then we are done. We are done with our payment process profile. So now what we will do, now we will assign some roles to our user, that we made the employee user, so that he can perform the AP roles. Okay, so we'll assign AP roles to our user. So assign AP roles to our employee user. Okay, so now we are going to add some more roles in our to our employee. So let's move to the security console, and from there we will add. Click on, so that he can perform functions of AP. That is why we are assigning the AP roles to our user, so that he can perform more functions of AP. So now let's move to the our instance. Click on done. Go on tools, security console, you go on user, find our user. See, if I'll type Rakesh, what will come? My user will come, Shivam Kumar. Okay, username is Rakesh. So now click on Shivam Kumar, edit the role, okay, and now click on add role. Okay, so the first role I am going to give is, that is accounts payable. ORA AP accounts payable manager. ORA AP accounts payable manager job. Click on it. So this role I am giving to my user. Now second role, second I'll give accounts payable supervisor. Accounts payable ORA AP. It is mandatory to choose this ORA, Oracle AP accounts payable supervisor job. Then accounts specialist, payables, accounts payables specialist. Accounts payable specialist role is not there or what? Yeah, this ORA AP accounts payable specialist job. Select this. So we have given 3 more roles to our user. Click on done. So now these are our roles. Okay, these are our roles. So we have given accounts payable manager, accounts payable supervisor, accounts payable specialist, so that the user can perform some more functions of accounts payable AP. Okay, so now we'll go. Now after giving the roles, it is a mandatory task that you assign data access to user. So we'll go to our project, click on save and close, and done. Now go to our project and we'll give some access to our user. Setup and maintenance, implementation project, Now we are on the project overview, BISP. Now search for the task that is manage access. It is manage data access for users. Manage data access for users. Create. So I'll give the user Rakesh Kumar, or let me search the Shivam is coming or not. No, because username is Rakesh, so Shivam will not come. Because username is Rakesh, so we'll find from the Rakesh.Kumar. So the first role is accounts payable manager, business unit. BISP business unit. Second role was Rakesh Kumar. Rakesh Kumar. Manager. Let me search my business unit, BISP business unit. So now it will go employee. Employee, no. We have our role. Accounts. This role is not VFC. Oh, okay. Go to the schedule process, and since the role is not coming, so we'll schedule the new process and give LDAP, LDAP chop. .605 is the process name, so we'll see here 605. So we have done. So go to our project, setup and maintenance. manage data access. Manage data access for users. So Rakesh Kumar, accounts payable manager already we have given. We'll give the specialist, business unit. Sometime it happens, friends, so no worries, go for LDAP job. Okay, now give another role, type again the specialist we have given. Now we'll give the supervisor. Okay, so here we have given business unit, and we'll select our business unit, that is BISP USA. Okay, so let me search. This is specialist and this is supervisor. No, this is also a specialist, this is also specialist. Will assign supervisor. Supervisor. Okay, business unit. This one was specialist. This one was specialist and this one was accounts payable supervisor. Okay, so now save and close. So let me search for the user Rakesh. And let me check the role, how many roles he is having. Accounts payable specialist. Okay, done. So we have assigned. Now what we have to do, we have to first we will save and close, click on done, and then we have to run again the LDAP job for synchronization. So go for running the LDAP job, go to tools and schedule new process. The name of the process is LDAP. Click on tab and so the process number is 64 now. So we have assigned the AP rules to employee user, and now our next task would be opening GL period for AP. Okay, so this is going to our next task. So please practice of this whatever I have taught, and then we'll do open period on the next session. So thank you so much for joining this webinar. Take care. Bye bye.